everyone. Today, I am going to be showing you my current everyday hair routine. I'm making this video in partnership with Living Proof, and I'm really excited because I've loved their products for years. I have a new favorite that I have been using for the last few months, and it is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder. I moved to New York recently, and since moving here, I have a lot less storage space in my bathroom. So that means I've had to cut down on the amount of products that I have. And this product has not only been incredible in my hair, and I absolutely love it, but it has also played a major role in cutting down the amount of hair products that I have. And you're about to see why in my tutorial, so let's get into it. I'm starting off with day one hair. So I have washed my hair the night before, slept on it, and this is what my hair looks like air dried. Then I part my hair, and recently I've been wearing it in the middle, but sometimes I go with the side part. It just kind of depends on my mood. Then I bring in the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Bodybuilder. And I have been using this to build body in my hair for a while, but I recently discovered that you can use this as a heat protectant. It will provide protection up to 450 degrees. This is a pretty big deal for me because that is one whole other product that I don't need to have in my bathroom. It has an adjustable nozzle. So on one end you can get less body, and on the other end you can get more body. So you can customize it to whatever it is that you need. For heat protection, I turn the nozzle to less body, and I just make sure that I get an even layer all over. Then I take a hair clip to section off my hair, and I pretty much just go half and half here. And then I take my straightener and I use that to create a light wave in my hair. I put the straightener in my hair and I rock it back and forth. And I alternate the direction that I'm rocking it with each section of hair that I'm doing. I'm really not focused on keeping the sections of hair equal. I really just grab and go. When I'm finished with the lower section, I unclip the top, and then I section off the very front part of my hair because these pieces tend to be more delicate, and I just like to do them separately, and then continue the waving process on the top section of hair. For the front section, I like to be really light with the straightener when I'm running it through my hair, so I just kind of barely hold it in the straightener because these pieces are more delicate for me. While this section is still hot, I tuck it behind my ears, so as it cools, it creates more of a wave. Then I just move over to the other side and I literally do the exact same thing. So this is what my hair looks like right after styling it. I can definitely feel the light hold from the bodybuilder, which I really like because I got heat protection out of it, and I could totally just stop here and wear my hair like this. And on some days I do. But on days when I want a little bit more body, I bring in the bodybuilder again. This is where I'll really turn it up. Literally with the nozzle. So I'll turn the nozzle to the more body setting. I hold it 6 to 10 inches away from my hair, but this time I'm using my fingers to lift my hair. And this allows the product to really get into the layers underneath so I can get as much body as possible. I also really love using this product on day 2 and 3 of not washing my hair because when I'm sleeping on my hair, it can kind of flatten a little bit. And when I use this product, it just adds a little bit of lift and movement to my hair. I'll usually add a little bit around my roots, a little bit towards the end. I'm getting a little bit of extra hold as well. And I love that I can keep using it without all of this crazy buildup in my hair. I feel like this product is definitely something that has totally simplified my routine and my life, and I love it. I have used pretty much half of the bottle that I have, and the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy the travel size because I just looked it up and there is a travel size. And that is because normally with hair products, I have to take a bunch with me, but if I get the travel size of this, I only have to carry one thing with me, and my travel life is about to change very soon, and I'm pretty pumped about it. That is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my current everyday, more simplified hair routine. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you all next time. Bye.